Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we're working on that CLK320 guys. As you know, more than 100 videos coming on the channel for that vehicle. We'll show you where the amplifier is, the amp for the music on that thing. It's very inconvenient location. Stay with us guys, we're gonna show you. It's where the hydraulic pump for the soft top convertible is as well. So stay with us, let's go ahead, start on it. It's not easy, I promise that. In the trunk, and now we'll need to get a 10mm, okay, and we'll need to remove a few bolts now. Those are the ones I'm talking about right here. We need to remove all of this. Okay, one is out. We'll just collect it here. Second one. This one doesn't want to come out. We'll come back to it. So we're going to get a wrench for these two because they're hard to get with a little impact. And also we will have the videos for the fuses for the convertible top, how to operate. So all of that is coming soon guys. Check the playlist. If it's not there yet, it will be in the future. Okay, we're going to remove that cap, plastic cap that holds that carpet piece in place there, so we can gain more room. One on this side, we already removed it right here. You can see because there is more bolts now, hidden bolts. A couple more here, not as easy as you think. For instance, we have the BMW E46, that's the main build on our channel, World Mechanics guys, and the hydraulic pump is way easier than that Mercedes. This one is a little bit complicated. Okay, this one, both of them will come out now. And then we have a couple more to do. Okay, we got this one out. Okay, we remove that bolt and one like that on the other side, so we can remove that thing out of there, so we can gain more room because there is a few hidden bolts. So now, if you twist it that way, okay, it's gonna come out. Same thing on this side. We need to unglue that carpet here. Okay, and we're going to install that one later guys. So now you can see we have more room. We will actually remove those clips so this thing can drop. We'll be using one of those clip removers. You can get the whole kit, very inexpensive. We'll have the link on our website guys. Okay, so you pull the middle part out and then the whole clip. Okay, well, this one is off. And we have more bolts, as you can see here. And there, you can see how many we have hidden bolts here. Very inconvenient, guys, very inconvenient. Limited room. Okay, we need to pick out the bolts now that we just dropped in the trunk. And let's see if that thing's gonna come out now. And you can see all the bolts inside the spare tire compartment here that we got. And even a few more here and there. Tic tac, somebody left here. Alright guys, and we got the thing out of here now. Alright guys, and that's the amp right there. You can see we finally got to that thing. So it's time to disconnect it now, and there is a fuse. Sometimes those go bad. So yeah, not very convenient location at all. Especially they tend to get wet if you leave the top down and moisture will get to them. So let's see now how we're going to disconnect that thing. So you need to press there and twist. Pull like that, and this is the whole amp out of the car, guys. That's how you remove it. You replace it, guys, put everything back together in reverse order. We took it apart. It will be easier if you get it for that metal piece now with the 4 bolts, so it stays in place. That way you will be sure that's there, otherwise you might not be able to pick it up with the bolts. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully the video was helpful. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.